wish, spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding grudges, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Please forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove that baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished off this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was caught by me with my own coin, okay? So shout out to you, Chrissy, for copying the unit with your own coin, okay? Go Chrissy, go Chrissy. Shout out to you, boo. Alright y'all, so this unit is by Sensational, and you guys know how I feel about Sensational, baby. You know how I feel about Sensational.
Sensational.
This is from their Butter Lace 90s Bangs collection, and I have seen a bunch of 90s, so I don't know if it's 90 bangs, but I mean 90s bangs, but yeah, I have seen this collection over and over again, but I haven't copped one with it because it's been such a long time since I bought a long synthetic wig. Like, I'm just getting to the age now where I don't even like long hair for the most part. It just kind of gets in my way and stuff. So, but I saw this on Instagram. I think Ebony Line or some company posted it and I saw it and I was like, that color is everything. I had to have it. You guys know I live for a good, what is this? This is an ash peach blonde, but I just love stuff like this, these little odd colors, so I could not resist. So anyways, the unit that I have is their 90 Bangs unit 911, okay? And honey, that should be easy to remember. Unit 911, okay, girl? It has HD lace. It says a wide and deeper parting. It's a glueless wig, and I was trying to show you guys prior to me applying the spray that this wig actually can be worn glueless. Like, it was pretty snug. You just have to make it tighter, and I feel like you can work old girl glueless for sure. So I was trying to show you guys that, but I don't know if you were able to see it. But I'll insert a clip or something so you guys can see. It does have on here that is heat safe, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with 100% premium fiber. So, child, I did apply some heat to it, just trying to lay the top down because, baby, I got a little fro under here, and I'm planning on getting braids, so I actually got to grow my hair out. So I was trying to make this lay down a little bit. So yeah, that's everything that's on the front. This is what it looks like on the stock card, and I just love the 90s theme. I think that is like, oh, it's so nostalgic, honey, okay? All right, so on the inside, it says voluminous 90s bangs, and you can wear it with or without bangs. So they have it on here. This is without bangs, and this is wearing it with the bangs. As you guys can see, I am utilizing the bangs, not the bangs, child, the bangs, but you don't have to. It says 90s bang styles with a modern twist. So deeper parting with voluminous bangs, glueless install with elastic band, natural density hairline, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline. So it also has that it's pre-plucked, it's glueless, it's HD lace, and yeah, they're just showing you the difference between normal lace and the butter lace, okay? And then on the back, it has the special color. So this unit does come in apple red, ash peach blonde like I'm wearing. It also comes in dirty blonde, ginger copper, and sunflower blonde. I kind of want to try the sunflower blonde too, baby. I don't know. I do though. And I like that apple red. It's giving Charlie Baltimore. You guys know I'm a Charlie Baltimore stan, honey. Maybe you don't know, but I am. And it says from the makers of Wet Lace. Now, let me go ahead and give you guys my specs and stuff on this. Now, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I think you can make it work across the board because it does have that elastic band in it. And I think with that band, you can, like I said, you can make it work across the board. As far as shedding and tangling, there was some shedding, not a whole lot, but there was some shedding, and I did expect it. It is a synthetic wig, and it is an interesting color, so I did expect it to shed some, but it was nothing to write home about. It was nothing that I was alarmed about. As far as tangling, straight out of the box, oh girl, is not tangling, okay? So keep that in mind, but I do expect it to tangle. Like, let's keep it a whole buck. It's a long synthetic wig. You have to be realistic, girl, okay? Now, it does say it has baby hairs. I did not utilize any baby hairs. I just adhered the units and then just like brushed the hair down. But there are supposed to be baby hairs. Let's see, can we find them, chat? Are these the baby hairs? Are these long baby hairs? I don't know. They said it's baby hairs along the hairline, but maybe they just long baby hairs. Now, it did come pre-tweezed. I don't know if you can really tell with this color, but it did come pre-tweezed, and I did like that as well. And I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so honestly, I could only think of one con with this unit, and that's going to be that, you know, it's long synthetic wig, and I expect it to tangle very soon. And that was the only con that I could think of, which is really not a con to me, especially when it comes to synthetic wigs, because I expect them to tangle. I expect any hair to tangle, to keep it a whole buck. If it's long, I expect it to tangle whether it's synthetic or human. But I definitely expect synthetic hair to tangle, especially in your nape area. So keep a brush handy. So that is my con. My pros is this color is everything. The perfect spring hair. I can see myself buying this unit in this same color probably multiple times. Like, I love this color. I have been actually trying to get this color in a human hair wig, but when I tried to dye the wig that I have, that's a 613, baby, it did not come out like this. So I'm glad I was able to get this color. You guys see, I keep looking at myself. You guys know what I say. Whenever you see me looking at myself over and over again, it's because I'm really feeling myself, or I'm really not. It's always gonna be one or the other, but yeah, I am really feeling this unit. So the color is a pro, the style is a pro. I love the 90s type of style. I style my wigs like this anyway, so I didn't know that it was supposed to be a 90s thing, because I always like the layers like this. Like, this is like my go-to style. I actually probably would prefer this unit as a side chick, but I wanted to style it the way they had it styled on the cover, so you guys could see it. But yeah, I think I would definitely shift it to the side. That, like, oh, chef's kiss. I know how it's gonna look. But yeah, I love the overall style of it. I love the length. I love the curls. Everything about this unit is just chef's kiss. And I don't even think it was super expensive. I want to say it was like $30-something. Shout out to you, boo, for that, okay? Because, honey, the Syntheticas are getting up there with the human hair wigs. I don't know what's going on, but this one is definitely affordable, and I love that for me, okay? And I love that for you. So, yeah, those are my pros. Girl, you know I would recommend this wig. Did you not hear my pros? I would definitely recommend this wig. Whether you get it in this color, a natural color, or any of the other special colors, I would recommend it. I don't think you will be disappointed. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it. Ooh, what is that? This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it. Goodness. This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am, because baby, I am feeling it. It's color, girl. It's low-key giving me chill vibes, okay? And that's crazy because I was looking for chill recently because there go a tangle. I was looking for a chill recently because I wanted it again, like in that same particular color. And this is giving, not this color obviously, but the color that my favorite color in chill I was looking for. And this is as close as it seems like I'm gonna get. If y'all know where I can find chill, put it down below in the comments, okay? Help us with that. But anyways, y'all, so yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, go click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Husband C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Come play